Okay, on the front page of today's lesson, Unit 2, Lesson 8. The date today is September 22nd, 2020, so be sure to put that in here. And then you have a word problem here. Sammy was collecting rocks. On Monday, he collected 3 rocks. On Tuesday, he collected 6 rocks. On Wednesday, he collected 9 rocks. How many rocks will Sammy collect on Thursday? So this is adding 3 every time. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So you can think of it as moving 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3 on your hundreds chart. 1, 2, 3, and move 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And that's 12. So you have a pattern going here. Your math sentence will say 3, 6, 9, 12. If you keep the pattern going by adding 3 each time, on Thursday, he will collect 12. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right, complete the chart below. Standard form is what we normally think of when we think of a number. Base 10 is tens and ones. And expanded is basically taking your base 10 where you have, like for instance, here is 10 and 20. So you represent the 10s separately from the ones. So here's an example of base 10, and then here's an example of expanded notation. So what's missing here is base 10. So that is 1. You've got a 1 in the tens place, and then an 8 in the ones place, which means you, of course, have 1 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you represent the 10 here as the number 10, plus you have 8 ones. Whoops. And that should say 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. So there you see the 3 ways that we're representing the number. Standard form, base 10 is your blocks. This is the 10s, and this is 8 ones. And expanded notation, 10 plus 8. So here, these are 2 are blank, so you have to look here. Your standard form would be 65. So base 10 is 6 of these, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to draw these here with this much detail. You can just draw a long, thin box and then squares here to represent the ones. And the expanded notation is done for you on this one. So here you have to look at the base 10 and decipher that. You've got 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So your standard form here is 25. And that in expanded notation simply means you look at your 10s. What's the value of these 2 10s? That would be 20 plus your 5 ones. 20 plus 5 equals 25. So last question on the front of this page. Sammy had 6 dimes and 1 penny. He had a hole in his pocket and he lost 20 cents. How much money does Sammy have now? So you can think of this as the money that he had. If he lost 20 cents, that means he would have lost 2 dimes. So you cross out those dimes and see how much money he has left. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, and a penny would make it 41 cents. Now you need to continue with the rest of the assignment. The back is independent practice. So think about the lessons you've done in the past. Those will help you complete the back side of this sheet.